I mean, I'm here, right? There's nobody around. Shh. Don't tell anybody I'm driving trucks.
Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it.
Always get out and look when you're not sure. Perfect. Perfect. Shut her down. Nice truck. Very nice. What else can I drive? I mean, I'm here, right? There's nobody around. Shh. Don't tell anybody I'm driving trucks. You gotta have big ones. I must have big ones, right? Come on, come on. I want to drive this one right there. 359. I already went inside and got the keys. Don't tell anybody, right? Get in big trouble. Make sure this thing's hooked up before I take off. It's good. Pre-trip done. I think it's loaded. Oh yeah. I love this. I love this. 359 dash, my favorite interior of all trucks. Old school cool. Got 36-inch bunk. These trucks are made for fat people. You notice back in the day all the truck drivers were skinny because they couldn't fit between the seats. They had to fit between the seats. .13 speed. Let's fire her up. Get pressure. Smell that? That's the smell of a real truck. It smells good. I think this truck is loaded. Got a feeling this one's loaded. It's got all the wheels down on the ground. Not sure. Sounds empty when you knock on the side of it. I think it's empty. Let's do it. didn't think I would do it, did you? On that side, Clarence. Got clearance, Clarence. Beautiful. I'm gonna put this thing away. Nobody's even gonna know it was missing. Alright, this one's looking so pretty just sitting here, just begging to go for a ride. This is the General with the Cummins in it. The one with the Detroit. It's up on the hill. This looks fun. Oh yeah. Use my better judgment and not take this one for a ride because the roads are starting to get wet. I don't want to get this thing dirty. Sitting here nice and clean. Dang it. I don't want to kick up spray. It's got half fenders on it. We'll come back another time. Oh man, that stinks. I drove that one with the Detroit. You go way back in my videos, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, I took that one for a ride before I actually knew how to shoot a video. Yeah, it's raining out now. That's enough fun for one day. I'll give you a sneak peek what's going on in the garage here. And we're gonna come back and drive this truck when it's ready to go. That's all I'm gonna show you for now. Needle Nose Pete. I'm gonna take that thing for a ride. It's got a 5 and a 4. Do I know how to drive a 5 and a 4? Eh, we'll see. We'll make a video. You tell me. I want to thank Ben Center Trucking for entrusting me with his trucks. Of course I had permission to drive the trucks. Ben's not here today, but he said, Mike, take whatever you want for a ride. We took the 990. I would take the A model, but I don't know if that's good to go, so just gonna leave her there. Another General 359. That was a lot of fun. Check out this one. This one's got the Detroit in it. With an automatic. Oh yeah, this one used to be a fire truck. I forgot about that. I remember this used to be a fire truck. I was just about to say, it's a little dirty. Just take this one for a ride. But auto shift. That's not any fun for me. All right, we're gonna head out of here. If you like this video, share it wherever you can on social media, please. Facebook, I'm trying to grow my channel. Just a little guy. And peace and grease. Hit the subscribe button, likes, comments down below. Boston Trucker. See ya, I'm out of here. Just in time. April showers in May. Gotta love it. Hey, and if you need any trucking done, call Ben Center. All right, you guys twisted my arm. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. 1964 needle nose. It's got a Mercury sleeper to go with it. That's gonna be put back on very soon. It's got a 5 and 4 transmission. I believe it's got a Cummins under the hood. Nice long wheelbase. And as soon as it's put back together, which is gonna be in a few weeks, me and Ben are gonna go for a little ride. And then we'll see if I can handle this bad boy. Let's check out the inside real quick. I know he's still working on it, so don't judge. Wow. This is awesome, Ben. Wow, look at this. This is called old school cool. See if you got the low air wig wag. Comes down in front of you when you're low on air. Psh, like that. 2 sticks. Super. Jake brake right there on the dash. Awesome. Ben's getting it detailed right now. I'll let this guy go. Get back to work here. Oh, paint is beautiful. Wow. Nice shine on this. All right. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Nice work.
Thank you.
All right. That was your sneak peek. Come back in a few more weeks. When I get some time, we're gonna go for a ride. What an awesome day. Awesome day.